What's up, y'all? Welcome back to our channel. It's Sasha Talia. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe because I feel like you're gonna want to subscribe. But today's video, let me get into today's video. Today's video is gonna be something short, simple, sweet, and it's like where like it's when I go to like the stores and I find a few pieces here and there, because I know like we can't all like ball out, you know, we all can't ball out and buy like a whole bunch of stuff. So these are like a few items that I was able to purchase from Ross in a new store that I found at the mall. So I'll go ahead and link everything down below with that one store that I did find. Super excited about that because they had some cute stuff in there, and y'all, it's affordable and we like affordable. So especially in our clothes, like yes. So if you want to see what I got in my clothing haul, then keep on watching. Okay, y'all, so let's start off with the store that I found at the mall. I have the baggie. It's called Q, and they have their website, shopfashionq.com, and I'll go ahead and link that down below. And honestly, they had so many cute items that it was so hard to like kind of like pick and choose what I wanted. I actually ended up only getting one item, but literally everything was super duper cute and affordable and stuff. So I want to show you what I got. Literally a lot of their stuff was around like the $10 to $13 range. I really didn't see much of anything that was like $20, $24 or anything like that. But this is the first piece that I did get, and this is a bodysuit. I got a size medium because your girl is growing, and I figured after giving birth that this should still fit me. It better fit me. It has a really good stretch, and this was only 13 bucks, you guys, and it's so pretty. So that's what I got from Q, from that store. Next thing, the next place I went to was Ross, and you guys, I love me some Ross. Like, Ross is my go-to clothing store. Like, you can find name brand or non-name brand, just certain things, and you can actually get some really cute pieces. So one of the cute pieces that I found at Ross is this really pretty dress, and it goes to pretty much mid-calf, and I love the line of the neck and everything. Super cute. This was only 14 bucks. 14 bucks is a steal for me. I love where it's hugging my body. It's so comfortable, and I love that I can just like put like a throw over if I want to, if I'm gonna get chilly, you know, at night or something like that during a date night. The next thing that I did get at Ross is this beautiful jean jacket. It was funny because when I bought that dress, I seen this jacket, but I didn't get it at the time. And literally, have you guys ever had like dreams about clothing or like certain items where you're like, damn, I should have got that day? So that's what was happening to me. And so I waited like 2 or 3 days, and I ended up going back to Ross to see if they still have it, because sometimes Ross is like, if they don't have like multiple of things, like once it's gone, y'all. So luckily they still had this. I wanted a size medium or small, but all they had was a large. So I was like, you know what, being like, you know what, like having oversized stuff is fine. It's super cute. I love the detailing of the buttons, and it's super warm. It has that same kind of fluffiness from the collar inside of the jacket. Super warm. I'm obsessed with it. I love it. And this was only $22, so that is a great deal. The next item that I got at Ross was like these cute loafers and stuff. I was actually looking for some mules where they don't have like the back part or anything like that. So something like this, but like imagine like not having this back part. So I was looking for like a neutral, like a beige tone, but they didn't have any, and I seen these and your girl had to get right up on it because they were only $15, and they are super comfy, and they actually have different colored ones. I have like a mustardy kind of fall color one, and then they had a black one, but like I said, I can't be buying everything, so I like picked and chose what could go great with my wardrobe that I have now in my closet. And these shoes were a must because it has these brown tones and stuff in it, and a darker tone that I can get away with, say like black outfits and stuff that will still go really, really cute. So yeah guys, this was my clothing haul that I got. Ross is my jam. Q, that store, is gonna be like one of the new places. Like I said, I'll link it down below because they had so many great items and it didn't feel like cheap. Even though the prices were cheap, their stuff is not, it doesn't feel cheap at all. It feels amazing and they look really, really cute. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed today's video, give me a big thumbs up. Be sure to like this video, comment something down below, and subscribe to my channel because I know you want to. Yeah, so I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!